The Two Largest Animals on Earth, Elephants and Whales by Camila. I dedicate this book to Mrs. Weber for being an awesome teacher, for inspiring me and teaching me so much this year. I also dedicate this book to my family for their unconditional love and support. Are you ready to learn all about elephants and whales? They're incredible animals, and you'll love them once you know more about them. Introduction and did you know? Whales and elephants are very interesting animals, and in this text you're going to learn all about them. Did you know that a sperm whale's scientific name is Physeter macrocephalus? Did you know that mud keeps elephants cool and it keeps them from getting insect bites? Did you know that sperm whale eyes are only 2 inches wide? Did you know that elephants are the 2 largest land animals? Did you know that whales are the largest sea animals? And finally, did you know that elephants often snore while they sleep? Those are some interesting facts about elephants and whales. Now you'll learn about important body parts. Adult elephants usually surround the calves. That is a humpback whale leaping out of the water. Whales often do that. Important body parts. Here are some important body parts that elephants and whales have and why they're important. Baleen whales have 2 blowholes. Blowholes are important because they're connected to a whale's lungs so whales can take a mouthful of water and breathe at the same time. Elephants have noses that are so important that they have their own name, trunk. Trunks can smell from many different directions. Trunks can also lift things as heavy as logs. And trunks can even pull in as much as 2 gallons of water to drink or to give the elephant a shower. I have no idea what an elephant would do without its trunk. Those were some important body parts and why they're important to elephants and whales. Now you'll learn about elephants and whales in danger. That is an elephant nose or trunk. That is a baleen whale's blowhole. Elephants and whales in danger. Elephants and whales are becoming extinct, so if we don't help protect them, they might not exist soon. Whale hunting is illegal in some countries, but legal in others. People do have a limit of how many whales they can hunt. Some people still hunt more than what they're supposed to. Less than 100 years ago, millions of elephants lived. Now there are only around 500,000 elephants left. We have to save them. Save the Elephants logo by the Wildlife Conservation Fund. Whales are in danger too. There are only about 15,000 to 20,000 humpbacks left. There are more than before, but there are many threats to humpbacks and other whales. The whale fin that was shot, we must protect them. Those were some examples of elephants and whales in danger. Now you will learn about their birth. Birth. Have you ever wondered what it is like when elephants or whales give birth? Well, this page will give you the answers. Let's start off with whales. Every year, a cow gives birth to a calf. Unlike the majority of mammals, whales are born tail first. Mammals give birth to something called live young. Live young are babies that are not born from eggs. Whale's baby known as a calf. It takes about 22 months for elephants to give birth. Only 1% of elephants give birth to twins. Those were some facts about birth. Now you will learn about their diets. Elephant's baby known as a calf. Diets. Do you know what elephants or whales eat? Well, you'll find out in this section. Humpback whales eat krill and small fish from schools like haddock, herring, capelin, salmon, sand lace, pollock, and mackerel. They usually feed during summer. Elephants eat grass, small plants, bushes, fruits, tree bark, twigs, and roots. Elephants are eating a lot these days. An adult elephant can consume up to 30 pounds of food in one day. Nearly 80% of an elephant's day is spent feeding. Those were some things on the elephants and whales menu. Now you will learn about elephants and whales being mammals and the colors of them. The chart below summarizes the diet of elephants and whales. Are elephants and whales mammals, and what is their color range? Did you know that elephants and whales are mammals? Do you know that the color range of an elephant or a whale? Well, you're about to find out. Whales belong to a group of animals named cetaceans. They are mammals, which makes them warm-blooded, so they can adjust and their temperature stays the same in hot or cold surroundings. This is one thing that elephants and whales are similar in. Elephants are warm-blooded as well. The bodies of warm-blooded animals stay the same temperature no matter how hot or cold their surroundings are. A blue whale's color range would be gray to black with white markings on their stomach. An elephant's color range would usually be gray, but African elephants look brown or reddish after playing in the colored mud. That is the gray skin color of an elephant. Those are the white markings on a whale's stomach. Conclusion. Elephants and whales are interesting animals, and now you know why. I've really enjoyed studying these animals. I hope that elephants and whales never go extinct. What are you going to do to save elephants and whales? I hope that you enjoyed this text. Adios.